We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis since the price exactly, since the price was within this move, I mentioned we are going to get one move up, then the price drop. Okay, this is what we get. We were expecting the price move a bit higher, but this is what we get. But as what we expected, the price drop, and we mentioned we are expecting the price drop to 1.196. And if we mention if there is a breakout, we look for 1.06. If there is no, if the price couldn't break 1.196, any reversal from there, we can take the trade, and we take the trade. I mean, we can look for buy. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break the previous stop, which is 1.15 or not. Okay, as we can see, the first time there was no breakout, and even we get one more drop, there was no breakout, and that's what we expected. We could look for buy, and after the price tag the previous stop, they start to correct. Now, want to see what's the next, whether this is the start of the down move or is a correction for continuation. Anyway, we start with daily chart. You want to see what we have based on daily chart, and what we're looking for right now is we're looking at this correction. Technically, we are expecting, we can expect to get one more drop before we get the reversal. This is, since most of the chart, they have a similar movement, maybe we don't get one more drop before we get the reversal. When we're talking for one more drop, that means the price will test the previous low. That's why, that means still we can consider this one as a expanding flat. That means we can expect the price reverse from here. But for sure, if we get one more drop with the price retest the previous low, any reversal from there, it can give us better trades. I mean, better opportunity to look for next trade, buy, and better confirmation. Okay. And right now we move to forward chart. You want to see what's the next. And based on forward chart, all right. The first things, if you want to put this one as a correction relative to this, that's mean if you are expecting the price to give us a correction for continuation, with the breakout of the 1.38, we can expect the price drop to 1.34, while following by 1.31. That's mean for those traders that are looking for trade, they can use these levels as their targets. Okay, and now we want to see whether we can look at this one as a 3 wave internally as a 1, 2, 3. That's mean this one turned to a internal flat. If this is the one we are expecting to get one more drop, one move relative to this before we get that next drop. That means we can expect this one turn to a more complex correction. In this case, selling at this top, for those traders, they get the opportunity for sell. This is where they can expect, and here we can expect the price to retest the previous low. But if you want to look at the chart in the way I explained, that means if you're looking for this one, we can expect the price drop to somewhere around 1.31, then we get one move up. Okay, that's why in that case we can look at this one even as a correction relative to this. Now, in this case, we move to 1 hour chart, and there was opportunity to look for sell from here, and whoever get the trade from here for sell, move their stop loss to break even. Whether we should look for sell from here or not, the only way is to put our entry below this. And what we want the price sharply break and continue, and this is where we're looking for the targets. Okay, because just now I explained, we want to see the way we're looking at the chart. We can put this one as a 3 wave internally. Maybe I draw it this way, 1, 2, 3, and we can put this one as a in relative to this. And if we're looking for this down move, then we are expecting this one drop to somewhere around this before we get the reversal. Whether the price can retest this low, still we can expect, but we're referring to this move. Then in this case, for me, I'm not really interested to look for sell from here unless I see that this one turned a deeper correction, because the best opportunity was to look from here. That's mean if the price drop from here, as I mentioned, we can put the entry below this. If anyone want to sell from here, what they want, the price sharply break and continue the price tag, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours, or we wait for this one turn to a deeper correction. This is where we can look for sell. But for me, I'm more interested to look for buy. That means I will wait this one turn to a bigger correction. Then when the price drop to this zone, any reversal from there, I will take the trade if I get the opportunity. Because this sell I consider as really short term relative to this move, but the reversal for buy, it can give me a better opportunity in terms of the risk and reward. That means I'm more interested to look for buy rather than sell. I'm not really interested to look for sell from here. Anyway, we can expect, if we look at this one as a correction, as I explained, we can expect the price drop to any of this level before we get the next move up. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.